Hi everybody, I'm Linny D with Cat on a Window Productions, and this is Intro to VR. Today we'll be talking about the Samsung Gear VR, the Google Daydream, and the Google Cardboard. First, we're going to talk about the Samsung Gear VR. It was created by Samsung in partnership with Facebook and runs off of an operating system created by Facebook. Of these three devices, the Samsung Gear is the most expensive. It comes with a wireless remote that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. It has motion controls, there's a touchpad, and a trigger, all of which allow you to navigate through the virtual world, as well as a back button, a home button, and volume controls so you do not have to exit your headset. Now, the one thing to consider about the Gear is that it runs on its own entirely unique operating system created by Facebook and Samsung, which means that if there's certain apps that you want to use that are available on the Cardboard or the Daydream, they aren't necessarily available on the Gear. Next up is the Google Daydream. This one is slightly less expensive than the Samsung Gear VR, but it has almost all the same sort of capabilities. Like the Samsung Gear VR, it comes with its own remote, which has the same sort of motion controls, trackpads, buttons, and navigational abilities as the Samsung Gear. The Google Daydream is much like an advanced version of Google Cardboard. It has all of the same apps as Google Cardboard, plus a few extras that work only exclusively with the remote. Google developed the Daydream to be just like the Google Cardboard, but a bit more advanced because it has the remote. So basically, it has all of the same apps that the Cardboard has, but it also features a few extra exclusive ones that only work in the Daydream with the remote. One thing to consider about the Google Daydream as opposed to the Samsung Gear is that Google is much more picky about what phones can go inside the Daydream, so you really have to have the newest, most advanced phones to be able to run the Daydream. Last up is the Google Cardboard. Unlike the other two, it does not run any remotes. All you do is look around with your face and point at things you want to look at. And then when the crosshairs come across something you can click on, all you do is click on it with the little washer built on the side of the headset. And that's it. That's all three headsets for your introduction to VR. You can look into more advanced headsets such as the Oculus Rift and the HTC Vive, but today we were only covering the basics. Let me know if this video is helpful and keep your eye out on this channel for more videos about VR, and I'll see you in the next video.